Pavanadma College, Murikasheri proudly welcomes you to the National Classic Powerlifting Championship 2019 with all her enthusiasm in hosting this great national event. Pavanadma is equipped well to make this venture a treasure jungle. The college community passionately extends all its amenities and is in persistent labours together with all her well-wishers. Today, at this historic moment, days long toil, hard work and sweats come to a fulfillment of achievement. With the earnest feelings of marching forward, we extend cordial welcome to the contestants, officials and each one of you to these magnificent days of thrill and eagerness. Idukki, one of the most populated districts in Kerala, God's own country, where the heavens keep a special eye of concern and bless her with gorgeous landscapes, fascinating climatic conditions, and chosen people who are ready to strive, to seek, and not to yield in life. For most tourist attractions are Munnar with its chill, Anamudi and its mountainous peaks, Iravikulam National Park with her enigmatic pride, the Neelakurinji flowers, the biggest arch dam in Asia, providing light and heat for the entire state, and Thekadi with her blue lakes and wild elephants, the tea and coffee plantations, sandalwoods, thick forest with wide variety of wild spacious and biodiversity, charming brooks along the hills, and the valleys with the farmyards of pepper, nutmeg, cocoa, cardamom and coconut add vigor and robustness to Idukki's agrarian lifestyle. Regarding the peculiar features of the people of the high ranges, everyone agrees that they are genuinely hardworking and diligent, bold and venturesome to shoulder the challenges, and vigilant to lead an eco-friendly, sustainable life. Moreover, they are welcoming, cooperative, easily mingling and broad-minded. Incessant fighting with the challenges and shortcomings of life help them to pursue higher and nobler targets as well as quite easily back them. That's the rationale why Idukki could donate Olympians like KM Binamol, Binu and Shiny Wilson. Pavanadma Arts and Science College, the topmost higher education institution in the district, is a NAAC re-accredited A-grade Arts and Science College affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, offering 9 UG, 5 PG, 4 BVoc and 2 diploma programs. Pavanadma stands as the beacon to those in search of quality-based, value-oriented advanced education. We take utmost care in implementing student-centered teaching learning strategies which equip the learners to become effective pursuers of wisdom and socially committed citizens. With a very humble beginning in 1982 as a junior college at an insignificant village, Murikasheri, in the Vathikudi Grama Panchayat, Pavanatma found her stepping stones gradually under the heavenly patronage of Holy Spirit and her veteran leaders. We recall gratefully the then Bishop of Kodamangalam Diocese, Mar George Punnakotil, and all other visionaries who entered the pain for her growth and development. It was in 1993, Pavanatma got affiliation as a senior college with the first graduation program, BCom, and the first post-graduation in 1995, which were remarkable milestones in the annals of the college. Thousands of students who sought wisdom and guidance in the alma mater are now well settled in different parts of the world. Under the management of Idukki Diocese, the college today envisages the vision to create a vibrant, enlightened community founded on a relentless pursuit of excellence, sustained by Christian ideals and moral values that promote responsible citizenship, affect social changes, and endorse cultural transformation. And her mission is to assist the students in fostering spiritual and human values to become a blessing to the society and to the nation at large. While pursuing our journey in the highly competitive higher education scenario with this noble vision and mission, we place on record our sincere thanks to His Excellency Mar Matthew Anikudikatil, Bishop Emeritus, Mar John Nellikunel, our patron, our managers, principals, and benefactors who toil hard for retaining the prestige and reputation, and the band of dedicated, highly efficient faculty and staff for rendering their relentless service to the stakeholders. September 26th to 30th will be recorded in golden letters in the history of Pavanatma. It's the platform for the National Classic Powerlifting Championship 2019. It's going to the scaffold for renewed records and emerging champions. Powerlifting is the sport of strongest persons. Stronger they are only through their hard work, self-control, and dedicated contestant efforts. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to the northeast. Here, we witness unity in diversity. It's here our dream of national integration becomes a great reality.